Hi, Jishuda. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good and hope everybody's fine at home. Nilanjana,
Uh,
the kids.
Absolutely. They're all good. They're all good.
Great, great. Firstly, Jishuda, the trailer looks great and we are all eagerly waiting for this film. So, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, Jishuda, talking about mm, playing this kind of a character, that husband of a maths genius. So first, I would like to hear your experience with maths back in school days.
Oh my God, it was very bad. It was terrible. I never used to like studies, so I was never good in any kind of studies. So, but maths, I was a little better. But apart from that, I can't say that I was good at it. So I was pretty bad.
So is this kind of reliving that maths nightmare after so many years?
So thankfully,
Oh,
I didn't have to deal with maths. It was all Vidya, all the way. So all the best to her. Actually, I didn't have to go through that.
okay. Jishuda, so little bit if you would like to share for our viewers, how was the experience of the shoot, working with Vidya? How was the experience like?
It was beautiful. When working with Vidya was, it's like always on my mind. I thank God that I got an opportunity to work with Vidya because she's first and foremost a huge fan as an actor uh, of Vidya. Secondly, I've become a fan as a human being. She's very warm. She's very funny. She's a prankster, and she used to uh, we used to have a lot of fun on set. In fact, the day I finished my portion of the film, I actually realized, I'm not going to get back to this set anymore, and this film is getting over. And that is um, kind of an effect which had Shakuntala Devi on me as far as the shooting is concerned. So it was great working on the set and great working with Anu Menon. Definitely, I should mention her name. Thanks to her for giving me this opportunity, and of course Vidya. So I loved working with her.
I recently watched a video conversation between you and Vidya, and it was very interesting. And where she was mentioning that first time when you met her, you did not speak to her. If you would
This
like,
is this is one thing she is at it, and she will till I die. She's going to say this, I'm sure. And the first day we met, you ignored me. I said first day when I met her, there was a reality show I was hosting, and I was shocked to see her first and foremost on my set. I was shocked to see Vidya Balan coming and promoting her film in our set. She knew me because I used to produce a show called Ghosh and Company, which it was a chat show with Rituparna Ghosh. So where she came down as a guest. So I met her that time. But this was the second time I met actually. Um, so I was quiet because I was in awe of her. So that was the reason I was. But she will keep on telling me, she'll keep on pulling my leg by saying that I ignored her on that day.
and it was such a brilliant conversation between you two. It was quite enjoyable.
Yeah,
So,
because we have become good friends, I guess, and it was fun working with her, and the way she look at life, it inspires me a lot. Because she's always having fun. She's always very positive about everything. So that inspires not only me. I'm sure it inspires a lot of people. So yes, we have struck a chord somewhere, and thanks to her, actually we came on a live session where I was the host and she was the guest, and she accepted that, and I thank her for that.
Jishuda, since we all know that the situation in Kolkata currently is not very good, the pandemic and all. So, what is the situation of the Bengali film industry? Whether shooting has started, whether you have started shooting any kind of shoot you've started?
I have started shooting last week, in fact. last week, I guess. I started shooting from 14th. I have started. Today is 24th. Yeah, 10 days over now. And one thing, you need to be careful. If you're not careful enough when you go out, you're shooting or you're working anywhere else, uh, things are going to happen and things are going to go worse. It's not only taking your responsibility. By taking your responsibility, you want to take other people's responsibility also. So I think this is very important right now, and we need to take care of ourselves so that we can take care of the people we love. So people are not doing it, I guess, and they're not maintaining what they should. They're not following what we are being told. So that's the reason I think it's happening. And also, yes, but we need to get back to work. We need to start working. We need to earn our livings now because last 4 to 5 months, our entire India was absolutely on a pause button, and there are people who are going through hell right now, and they don't have food, they don't have money to eat, to buy essentials, they don't have anything. So we need to get back to work. We need to start doing it, and we need to stand by themselves. By those people who are suffering, we should be standing beside them. And but yes, at all said and done, we need to maintain social distancing. We need to use hand sanitizer. Whatever we have been told to follow, we should follow them. And I'm sure in recent next few months we will be back on our feet and we'll start our normal life from this new normal.
And one thing I would like to ask you, Jishuda, that how was the experience of like shooting and you're perhaps wearing a mask in between shots? Is it kind of inconvenient, a little
Yeah, of
inconvenient?
course. Of course. The film which I'm shooting right now, thankfully, in that film, you don't have those physical proximities. You don't need to. There's no fight sequence or there's no, romantic sequences where I have to do that. Those are over. Thankfully, those are over before the lockdown. But the situation we are in, when you go to a set, you want to hug your co-actors. You want to, pat the bag of your colleague. You want to take blessings of the elders by touching their feet. Any of it, you can't do it, and it is so different. So it is difficult. It is difficult right now as we speak.
Thank you so much for sharing that, and I'm sure we'll get over it soon, gradually with time.
Absolutely, and I pray to God we come back stronger.
Jishuda, we all know that you're one big star in the Bengali film industry, and I personally watch all your films. There's no film of yours which I ever miss.
Thank you so much.
But parallelly, you are equally active in the Hindi film industry, as you can all see. You work in wonderful movies, be it Piku, Manikarnika, and now this one is also coming. Jishuda, of late, there's a lot of hue and cry over this nepotism thing in Bollywood and other industries, and people are talking about it a lot. Since you are working with Bollywood equally with Bengali film industry, if you would like to share your take on this.
I really don't know why people are talking about it so much. This was always there, and it will be there, and it doesn't matter. If my daughter, who has already done a film with me, right, and I guess she's a good actress. She's very small right now. Right now she's 14. When she did the film, she was 11. But if she wants to take up film as a career, and if I help her, is it wrong? It's a question to you. Is it wrong?
Well, I can't comment on this, I'm afraid.
Okay.
But,
so
but I have watched her film, and she is indeed very talented. I have watched her movie. Sarah's movie I have watched.
Okay, so you think she's talented, right?
Yes.
So I can put in money for her. And I will. Well, there's wrong in it. if I support my daughter and if I make films with her, and I feel that she can make it big one day, and if I give that push to her, I don't think there's any problem. And I think that answers your question.
Absolutely. And one more thing I want to ask you, Trishuda, that people are saying that while I completely agree that it's okay, you want to help your child, but people are questioning that there's a discrimination happening between star kids and those who are coming from other towns to make it big, with a dream of making it big in Bollywood. There's a discrimination. You actively have worked in Bollywood past few years. We have all seen. Have you ever experienced any such discrimination?
If you can, if you can tell me what kind of discrimination, I can answer that.
Like giving preference to star kids in terms of giving a chance in big projects, big banners.
I think I've answered that question in the first question.
But I would just like to ask you that if you have personally experienced any kind of discrimination ever
Never.
in your career.
Never.
And
in Bengal, I was being called unlucky actor, but that didn't stop me. I was being called unlucky actor for a decade almost.
Yes.
And right now, I guess I give money back to the producers. So earlier I used to give. So things change, It is about perception, how you look at it, how you look at things. There are, I was being promised a big film with a big director when I was young, and I saw that film's poster when it was releasing, so I was not being taken. I didn't stop. Today, that director is not there anymore. I am still there. You should have faith in yourself. And don't question, don't judge other people. That's what I want to tell you. It's my life's experience. People they have their opinions. They can say it's a democratic country, but you can't force someone else or use abusive language to follow them. That's what the entire nation is. Almost everyone on the net are trying to prove that, because you are not doing this, that's why you're a bad person. It's my wish if I want to do or I don't want to do. You are no one to judge. My father used to say one thing: when you raise a finger to someone else, on someone else, the other three fingers are pointing at you. So that's very important, and that's what I've learned from my father. And yes, if there's something wrong happening, you should protest, but without any proof, without anything. And this is what my belief is. So it's nothing. I will support my daughter. I'm saying it right now. If that is nepotism, that is what I have no idea. If she wants to act, if I have the money, or if I have the source to influence bigger producers that you should take my daughter, I'll do that. I'm saying it.
One last question.
It's my daughter, my blood.
We would love to watch her on the big screen once again.
But then again, I'm saying if she's not good, I will not do that for the second time. She has to be talented. She has to prove her point as an actor. And if she's not a good actor, then she will fail, and she'll fail miserably. That's
so, Trishuda, can I then say, then nepotism or not, talent is the most important thing which will help you survive?
I'm the biggest example for you.
Yes.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't. You need to have a luck. That is very important. You need to be talented. Otherwise, in any industry, in IT industry also, if you're not talented, if you're not talented enough to do a IT job, if you get it in a recommendation, there's so many jobs you get for recommendation. But if you can prove yourself, you will be thrown out. No one will put in money on you. Will anyone put in money? আমার বাড়িতে যে কাজ করে সে ভালো রান্না করে না, আমি কি তাকে রাখবো? আমি তো আরেকটা রান্নার লোক খুঁজবো। তার সে রেকমেন্ডেড এসছে ওপরের মালকিনের কাছ থেকে, সে খুব ভালো রান্না করে, তার কাছে হয়তো ভালো রান্না করে, আমার কাছে তো নাও করতে পারে। আরে অদ্ভুত। Sorry, you're a Bengali, so I spoke in Bangla.
I understood completely. One last question, Jishuda. I have been following your work since the days of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, through films and everything, your Bollywood journey. If you would like to share any message for budding actors, because Jishuda, your journey, the way you have stood rock solid against comments like this, unlucky and all that, you are an example. So if you would like to share any message.
Just believe in yourself. Work hard for your bread and be honest to yourself. And you should keep your passion alive. These are the few things. And you need to be lucky in my profession. Without luck, you won't be able to sustain. And that's in my case. And this is all my experiences. So I was lucky enough to get opportunities, and then in those opportunities I could prove myself. So yeah, so you need to have both, which I said earlier, that you need to have luck to get those opportunities, and then when you get that opportunity, don't misuse it. Prove a point that you're talented.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And that is so nicely said. It was so nice talking to you, Jishuda. We were meeting quite after some time.
Yeah.
And it was really nice talking to you. Please take care, stay safe,
Thank you.
and wish you all the best for Shakuntala Devi.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Means a lot.
Thank you, Jishuda. Thank you so much. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye.